Today, we're going to be talking about how to transfer all contacts from Google to iPhone. Maybe you're switching from an Android phone to an iPhone, or just want to keep your contacts backed up in multiple places. Whatever the reason, transferring your contacts from Google to iPhone is a quick and easy process. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. If you have just moved from Android to iPhone, the easiest way to do it is to use iCloud. iCloud is Apple's cloud storage service, and it can be used to sync your contacts between your Google account and your iPhone. Here's how to do it. On your iPhone, tap on Settings. Tap Contacts. Now tap on Accounts. Tap on Add Account. Select Google from the list of account types. Enter your Google account email address and password. Tap on Next. Make sure that the Contacts toggle is turned on. Tap on Save. Your Google Contacts will now start syncing with your iPhone. This process may take a few minutes, depending on how many contacts you have. Now, we have all the contacts added to our iPhones, but our contacts are still on the Google account. So, how can we transfer all contacts? Now, let's exit Settings and tap on Contacts. Tap on Lists from the top. You should see the account from Google here. Keep your finger on that account. An export menu will pop up. Tap it. Tap, select all fields, and then tap Done from the top. A file will be generated with all the Google account contacts. Scroll down and select Save to Files. Now, we have only a few easy steps. Exit Contacts and find the Files app. You should see your recent files. Tap on the first file. That should be the file you just generated with the Google Contacts. Tap the Share from the bottom. From the list of apps, tap on Contacts. Now, tap on Add All Contacts from the top. Tap Create New Contacts. The contacts should be transferred from Google to iCloud now. You see, now that iCloud has all the contacts, you can now delete the Google account, and you will have the contacts on your iCloud. Additional tips. You can also use a third-party app to transfer your Google contacts to your iPhone. However, I recommend using one of the methods described above, as they are more secure and reliable. If you're syncing your contacts with iCloud, the changes you make on your iPhone will be reflected on all your other devices that are signed in to the same iCloud account. So, that's how to transfer all contacts from Google to iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.